good things coming from Kangchuk, and also there are also some hard news, as you all know. But leaving aside those things, let me narrate my story. Kusung Ringko means the life of the villagers. Appa means father. Anu means mother. Sapa means son. Sanu means daughter. Father will wake up early morning and go for working in the field. Mother will go and sell vegetables in the market. Son will go and take care of cows and buffaloes. Daughter will go and fetch water. So I am addressing in this song how to uplift our society, how to come out of it and do something innovative, how to embrace critical thinking, how to come out of vicious cycles. So that is Kusung Ringko. Ready? You can dance here. Okay, I will be singing from here. You will feel bored because you don't understand Chiru dialect, so I want to distract you with dance, okay? Go. That's the idea. There is no step, it is a freestyle, okay? Let me teach you a little bit. Oh yeah, repeat after me, boys in the back, girls in the back. I know you are the most energetic group. Oh yes, eh? Manarang Ringko. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So much of my Thank you guys, man. I'm sure you'll understand Zero dialect from now. All right, let's do some.